welcome to Pradosh on Air. Today we are going to unbox the iPhone 11 Pro Max. First we have the phone. Next we have a booklet. In this we have a quick start guide, a SIM ejector tool, some paperwork and a Apple sticker. Next we have the Apple earpods. These are the wired one. Next we have a Lightning to Type-C connector for iPhone charging. Next we have the 18-watt iPhone fast charger. This is the grey one. It has a matte texture back and it has a triple camera. Let's boot this thing up. On the left we have the volume rockers and the silent off and on. On the right side we have the power on and off button and the SIM pin. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.